This Select Realty property video is presented by Brenda Peeples. Location: walk to the Lake Wilhelmina across the road. From your front porch you can watch the wilds of nature, hear sounds to soothe the soul. Cleared and partially fenced. Several spots, RV rentals could be installed to make extra money. Home needs TLC and repairs. Circle Drive, several terraces. Lots of fishing, hunting, and bird watching just waiting for you. Well has no pump, so no access to water, pump house in good shape. Seller is making no repairs. See agent remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Peeples at 479-394-7676.